Material success must be guided by spiritual wisdom. Without inner balance, wealth becomes a burden instead of a blessing. True prosperity is achieved by harmonizing worldly duties with soul realization. Success is not measured by possessions but by peace of mind and spiritual awareness. Let your achievements reflect inner contentment rather than outward comparison. To attain abundance, first master the mind. Right thoughts, perseverance, and divine attunement are more powerful than luck or chance in building a prosperous life. The secret of material success is calm, focused effort with God in your heart. Work with joy and detachment, and you will prosper both outwardly and inwardly. Wealth gained without spiritual purpose can bring restlessness. Use your earnings to serve others, and your prosperity will multiply with meaning and joy. Spiritual discipline sharpens your intuition. This inner guidance can lead you to right opportunities, better decisions, and success that aligns with your highest good. Pray, meditate, and act. Do not depend only on prayers or only on action. Blend divine communion with intelligent effort to succeed gracefully. Make your work a form of worship. When your career is approached with devotion, even mundane tasks become sacred, and success flows naturally. External riches without internal peace are poverty. Cultivate inner stillness through meditation, and you'll discover true abundance already within you. Concentration is the gateway to achievement. Learn to control your thoughts and direct your energy, and success in any field becomes inevitable. Desire wealth, but desire God more. When your soul hungers for the infinite above all, material needs are met as a byproduct of divine favor. Do not fear failure. Each setback is a lesson. Accept it with calmness, introspect deeply, and move forward with renewed energy and wisdom. Divine law governs all success. When you align your actions with truth, honesty, and service, the universe supports your efforts without resistance. You are not meant to renounce wealth, but to renounce attachment to it. Let success serve your soul's growth, not enslave your mind. Keep the company of high-minded souls. Spiritual friendships elevate your aspirations and help you navigate material life with integrity and grace. Practice even-mindedness. In success or failure, stay calm. This unshakable spirit ensures you are never overwhelmed by fortune or misfortune. God is the source of all supply. Trust in Him, work diligently, and abundance will follow. Not always what you want, but always what you need. Be grateful for both gain and loss. Gratitude opens your heart to divine blessings and trains the mind to see opportunity in adversity. Combine ambition with humility. Let your dreams be big, but your ego small. In this balance lies both spiritual and worldly triumph. Meditation is the highest success. In stillness, you commune with the divine source of power, from which all outward achievement springs. Earn honestly and live simply. Simplicity breeds clarity, and with clarity, decisions are wiser and life flows with less resistance. Serve others with what you have. Sharing your success spiritually uplifts both the giver and the receiver, fulfilling the law of divine reciprocity. Chase excellence, not applause. When your work is done with sincerity and care, recognition follows naturally without attachment. A restless mind scatters success. Calmness magnetizes favorable conditions. Practice silence and stillness daily to center your energy. Don't be lazy and call it spiritual. God helps those who help themselves. Spiritual effort must be matched by intelligent physical action. Love your work. If your duties bore you, spiritualize them by offering each action to God. Joyful work attracts greater success. Detachment is not disinterest, it is freedom. Work passionately, but let go of the outcome. That freedom makes success sweeter. God wants you to succeed, but He wants your soul more. Seek Him first, and all other things shall be added unto you. Be enthusiastic in every endeavor. Enthusiasm is a divine magnet that draws success, uplifts others, and fuels persistence in adversity. Guard your thoughts, for they shape your reality. A strong, positive mind attracts success like a magnet. Never envy others' prosperity. Their karma is different from yours. Focus on your own growth with faith and diligence. Develop the habit of daily introspection. Know your weaknesses and strengths. This clarity is essential for both spiritual and material progress. Don't be attached to results, but learn from them. Life is your teacher, and every experience shapes your character for a higher purpose. Work is divine when done in the spirit of service. Offer your every effort as a prayer, and success becomes a holy blessing. Save and give. Wealth is a divine trust. Use it wisely, invest mindfully, and share generously to keep the flow unblocked. A strong will, guided by divine wisdom, can overcome any obstacle. Cultivate willpower through discipline and regular meditation. Seek spiritual riches first. When the soul is full, material needs lose their power to disturb or distract you. Remember, all you own is temporary. Let not your identity be bound by possessions. Identify with the changeless spirit within. Use wealth to uplift others. Philanthropy rooted in compassion and detachment brings spiritual merit and inner satisfaction. Do not crave fame. Let your goal be to serve truth and goodness. Fame that follows humble service is God's gift, not a goal. Balance is success. Do not neglect your health, relationships, or soul in the pursuit of wealth. Harmony is the real achievement. Before you act, pray. Before you plan, meditate. Aligning with divine will make your work more fruitful and your path clearer. Every thought is an energy force. Use affirmations to shape your consciousness and attract abundance into your life. You are the soul, not the body or its possessions. Let this awareness guide your ambitions and keep your ego in check. Use time wisely. Every hour is a chance to serve, grow, or meditate. Wasted time is lost potential in both spirit and matter. Be patient. Material success unfolds over time. Persist with faith, and delay will strengthen your character and deepen your wisdom. Happiness does not lie in money but in the joy of inner freedom. Make peace with yourself your foremost treasure. Avoid greed. It clouds judgment and breeds anxiety. Contentment and aspiration can coexist when rooted in spiritual consciousness. Learn from nature, work silently, grow steadily, and share your fruits with the world without pride or fear. A cheerful heart is a magnet for prosperity. Smile often, even in challenges. Joy attracts favorable outcomes. Don't overwork in the name of success. Rest, reflect, and recharge. Inner stillness empowers you more than constant activity. Wealth is not evil, attachment to it is. Use wealth wisely, as a tool to serve humanity and your divine purpose. Be flexible in your path. Adaptability ensures survival, success, and spiritual maturity amid life's uncertainties. Don't let failure discourage your spirit. It's only a temporary detour on the road to greater spiritual and material wisdom. Aim to be a master of self, not a slave to success. Self-control brings lasting happiness and invincible power. Use affirmations with faith. Declare your success, health, and divine guidance until your subconscious accepts it as truth. Remember, the goal of life is not wealth or recognition, it is union with the infinite. Let success serve that purpose. Let your heart always whisper, I want success not for ego, but to serve God better, love others deeper, and live freer. These are the teachings of Paramahansa Yogananda about material success and spiritual living. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.